Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Who can lead the prayer? Anyone?
Ma'am,
Okay, Josh. So now, I'll be checking your attendance. Say present if your name is called. Joshua Bustamante,
present, ma'am.
Nika Perez,
Present.
Jasmine Santos.
Ma'am.
Before we start our lesson, let me present with you an illustration showing a puzzle tangram pieces. Place the numbered tangram pieces to complete the puzzle. Once you have arranged the tangram pieces into its right place in the puzzle, what did you consider?
Consider the size of the
How were you
triangle.
able to arrange them? Good, that's right. Now, from that observation alone, and with the given shape of the tangram pieces, what do you think is our lesson this afternoon?
I think it will
Amazing! You're right. Absolutely right. Our lesson this afternoon is all about triangle congruence. But before we will discuss this, let us have first a short activity which will be by group. I will be dividing you into 3 groups, namely green group, orange group, and violet group. You will be given a task and you may discuss them in your break. Be given a task and you may discuss them in your seats. Then, please choose one representative to present your answer. Now, how will I group you, class? You will be automatically grouped into 3 groups and you will be directed to your groups. To be able to be included in the group, let us count in a 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3, and then proceed to your group. For your task, if you will be directed to group 1 or green group, name and pair. For the group 2 orange group, find me. For the group 3 violet group, fill me in. Supply the column for each row with your answers. Based on the given figure below. Bye! That was a great presentation, everyone. Job well done! What are your observations regarding our lesson this afternoon? Oh, very good observation. So how many corresponding parts do congruent triangles have? That's right. How do you think can we define triangle congruent or congruent triangles? Why do you say so? How very wow! Wow, very well said. So, based from our activity this afternoon class, our objectives here is to define congruent triangles, identify congruent triangles, and illustrate congruent triangles. So, I'll be discussing to you what is triangle congruence. So, triangle congruence, 2 triangles are congruent if their vertices can be paired. So, their corresponding sides are congruents and corresponding angles are congruents. Corresponding sides are the pairs of sides whose endpoints are the vertices that are paired in a given correspondence between 2 triangles. Corresponding angles are pairs of angles whose vertices are paired in a given correspondence between 2 triangles. Triangle congruence is related to constructions, like in constructing bridges, buildings, and houses. We can also triangle congruence concept in our community. Just like in Barangay Calarian, we could see Yakan village there, right? As you can see in the picture presented, the designs in their weave clothes are also related to triangle congruence. Now, going back from our motivation, we have a triangle left with no tangram piece being paired to it. Let's see what's behind it. What barangay in Zamboanga City where you can see this construction border? That's right, that is from Barangay Licomo. This construction has also some touches of the triangle congruence concept. Am I right? Aside from that, in economics, particularly in business, the concept of congruences in mass production of products are also used. Now, this time we will have another activity with the same group. With the same group in your previous activity. This will be your task after 5 minutes. Please choose representative to present your output. Green group, complete me directions. So here's the directions. Refer your answer to the figure below in order to complete each statement. Orange group, make me. You are tasked to create an artwork with the concept of triangle congruence. Your output will be judged according to creativity, originality, and application of the triangle congruence concept. Violet group, identify me. Given the figure below, identify the congruent triangles. And list down the corresponding sides and corresponding angles. Let us evaluate how much you have learned from this lesson. So this is the directions. Read each question carefully, choose the letter of your answer, and write it on your paper. Choose the letter of your answer and write it on your paper. What is the corresponding sides? What is the corresponding side of in the pentagon? Scout, what are the two congruent triangles in the figure above? When can we say two triangles are congruent? A. If their corresponding sides are equal in length and corresponding angles are in measure. Letter B. If their opposite sides are equal in length and opposite angles are equal in measure. C. If their consecutive sides and angles are equal in length and in measure. Letter D. At least one corresponding sides and angles are equal in length and in measure. So, thank you class for your cooperation. That's all for today. See you tomorrow and God bless you all.